Welcome to Lola Femi's Lifestyle. Tonight is a very special night because it's my husband's 73rd birthday. And now we are here at the Golden Hibachi restaurant. Eat all you can in California. So we're being answered to the table that we're gonna be sitting down. With me is Lolo Bird, the birthday celebrant, the one in the black with his hat on, and my son Peter with his dog Klausy. So anyway, I'm gonna be going around my Insta360 camera and show you how the restaurant look like. A lot of food, guys. Different food. We have Japanese, Mexican, American, name it, and they have it. Fruits are abundance and everything. So look at the kids. There's a lot of people eating, and I love to drink hot soup. These are the soup that they have. They have different kinds, also varieties. But I took the Japanese food, soup. This is really good for me because this one is spicy and this one is the egg something. But I really don't know all of the names because I didn't read it. Anyway, this one is the Japanese soup. As you can see, guys, it's so refreshing. It's cold in California, but then I got this one, so my stomach is really very satisfied. I was even drinking some in between while I'm walking in the restaurant, as you can see, guys. Here's the table for I guess these are for the shrimp and the seafood. Yeah, people are still coming in, and a lot of them are outside. And guess what, guys? We don't seldom see us wearing the mask anymore. It's already okay. So you can see, guys, I'm drinking my hot soup while I am holding my other hand with the camera. So you can see it, guys. See? So now really I am satisfied with this camera because unlike when I was holding my phone, otherwise if you have the gimbal, that's good also, but you won't see everything. This one, you can see the ceiling, you can see the side, you can see the floor, you can see the details of the area. It's really good. Okay, getting some more food. I guess I went to the Japanese food, sashimi and sushi. Oh, there's my grandchildren. The small one is Natasha, and the bigger girl is Natalie, and my grandson is Nathan. Both the three kids, my grandchildren are there's Lolo Bird. Here's my son Peter with his glasses on. And there he is, and Klausy too. He's a service dog, that's why he was able to come in with us and sit with us on the table. The parents are Jacob and Leslie. So now, guys, we're gonna be eating. I didn't show any more the food, but now we're gonna be blowing the cake. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amber. Happy birthday to you. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God, may the Lord God, may the Lord God bless you. Now it's time for us to take some photos. So now we're taking photos with Lolo Bird, my son Peter, my grandson, my 3 grandchildren is with me. There, you can see, guys. We're done eating and now walking towards the door. And I continued on to take my camera. As you can see, guys, it's a beautiful restaurant. The lightings are really nice, and everything is all lighted, and you can see everyone. And as we are progressing going out to the door, my 3 grandchildren stopped by on the right side, and they were playing. I guess they are getting some toys in the machine, I guess. Somewhat. As you can see, guys, there. It's my head there. You see the camera? It's like we're having a drone inside that you can see it from above. Look, guys, how nice is the ceiling, huh? And I was holding my ice cream with me. You believe that? I did enjoy a lot of Japanese. I ate a lot of sashimi and shrimp and everything there. As you can see, look at them. They're trying to get some of the toys. While I'm waiting for my daughter and my son to come out, and Klausy. There you go. There's Klausy going out from the door. And some of the people in there too. Anyway, this is the door, and this is what you see outside the door of Old Hibachi restaurant. We came here before my birthday too, and as you can see, Klausy is in the light on the yellow and the blue one, and then just following the motion there. While we are here outside with my daughter Leslie, and Lolo Bird is continue eating his ice cream too. Oh, we had a lot of fun. Believe me, guys. As you can see, look, my grandchildren are in there. Klausy is there. My son also there. My granddaughter and my grandson. And Lolo Bird would like to I want to join too. I wonder if he went in there. But anyway, thank you so much for watching the dinner treat that we gave to Lolo Bird, Rembert, and that's me. Now walking outside the restaurant. Stay tuned because I still have some more videos, clips for Lolo Bird's birthday. Thanks for watching. Bye.